Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we have GR5 and I'm going to show you my feature for that game. So I have a small aim, you see, and this it will always be on. Okay, and I'm going to enable unlimited ammo so I can show you how it works, but in online mode it doesn't work. Like the ammo is fixed, it's controlled by the server, so it's just visible. But in offline mode I'm going to enable it so I can show you how it works. And to fix that, we're going to enable no recoil, and you can see it no longer go up. And another feature, when you are moving you can shoot in one spot, but if I disable small X, you see when I'm walking here is the old method. You see, when I'm walking, it's still shooting on all different places. New method is much better. And when enemy is attacking you, it should shooting in one spot. I'm waiting for the enemy to attack me. Okay, thank you. If you're interested, add me on Discord so we can discuss how to buy it. Bye bye.